How to change onion services. Are you guys listening to change onion services on ORBOT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change the services on ORBOT, first of all, open the ORBOT application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, you will be forwarded to this interface. Now, just simply look at the right bottom of the screen where you can see this three dot icon or menu icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options available in this section. Just simply select Hosted Onion Services. After you select it, you can see two options, User Services and App Services. If you want to select it, App Services, tap on it and your services will be changed on our ORBOT application. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to change your onion services on ORBOT application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.